2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, bed liner, CD player, fog lights, compass, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.